In this video, I want to share with you how to download and install the Lightshot, which is an open source, very light screen capture software that you can easily use to capture screenshot. Is the fastest way to take customizable screenshot on your computer. This very light software is available on Windows as well as on Mac. So depending on whatever software whatever operating system you are using, you will have the version of it on this software. So all you need to do is to come to this link. I'll put it in the link in the description. You can find this link in the description, and once you're here, you can download this for free on your desktop, okay, depending whether it's for Windows or for Mac. So one of the features that you can see is fast screenshot of selected area, share screenshot via the internet. Once you take the screenshot, you can easily share it via the internet, or similar image search. You can conduct similar image search on Google. Easy to use applications. This application is lightweight and easy to use, very easy to download. Powerful editors. You can have screenshot editors instantly when taking them, or later when using a powerful online editor. Okay, various platforms you can. Lightshot is available for Windows, Mac, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and even Opera. Okay, so depending on your choice. So I've just downloaded mine. Let's get into it and see how we can install and use it. So here is the software, Lightshot. So let's just cut it and take it to our installation file. Okay, so here is the software. So let's double click to install it. We say yes to this. We select language as English and accept and say next. It's a click-through software, very easy to install, and it has just finished. You just click on finish and it has finished. Okay, so let's search for it. Lightweight, Lightshot, you can search for it, or you can see it among the recommended applications. You can just click to start it. You can always check on this arrow and you'll find it there. Okay, so you can see Lightshot is already there. You can once you click on it, you select an area that you want to take a screenshot. So let's say we want to take a screenshot of this Lightshot place. So we want to take a screenshot of this Lightshot, and we want to use Lightshot in the Lightshot app. So you just click on this arrow and just click on the Lightshot, and you can see you just select the area that you want to take a screenshot. So you just select this area and you raise your hand, and you have a bunch of features to use. Okay, so right now you have the pen that you can write on it. Once you click, you are free to write anything on this. You're free to write accordingly, and once you choose this is a line. You're free to draw any line, maybe to make it look kind of better or look much more professional. You're free to draw any line, and you're free to add some arrows to this. Okay, so maybe you can add 2 arrows or 3 arrows just to show emphasis and different things. And you have another shape over here. You have the rectangular shape. All the colors are in red because this is where you change the color. So once you click on this small arrow, you can change the color to something else. Let's say at this time we're selecting this color, and you can select a custom color as well. When you click, you define a custom color from here. Once you click on this, you'll be able to navigate around and define your custom color accordingly. Okay, so right now this is the custom color. This is the color solid. This is so you can select any point and you can navigate around. Maybe let's say as you move this arrow, okay, you can select and you see the color is changing. So until you're satisfied. Once you're satisfied, this is the color that is going to check. So you can add this color to these custom colors. So you can select this color as well and say okay, and you can see it has added it to this. And once you select any feature, like the writing is going to write in that color, and like the line is going to be in that color. Even the arrows are going to be in that color, and the shapes also are going to be in that color. All right, so you have the option to as well put out the marker. You can have marker as well. Usually marker is it takes the yellow color. Okay, so you can see the color. You can also equally customize the marker to another color. For example, you can still come over here and you can select another color and say okay, or you can customize also accordingly and select another place, and maybe you say add this to custom color, and it's going to be part of the color you select. Once you say okay, your highlighter is going to take in this effect. Okay, so your highlighter is going to take in this color. Okay, so you can see the highlighter is taking that very color. So you have a bunch of options to check. This is the text. You can add text. Once you click on it, you click here, you can add text. Okay, welcome to Epic Mentorship. Okay, so you can add text, and the color of the text also can be changed according to the color that you have here until you get the right color. Let's say you want it to be black, and you say okay, it's going to be black at this time. So once you click on the text, you click on this, it's going to type in black. Okay, so text is going to be in black. So you have other bunch of options. You can undo any kind of things. For example, all what we have done, we can undo all of them if you so wish with this small arrow, and you can close this, or you can save this image that you have just taken. You can crop it, you can resize it. Okay, you can save it if you want. You can do Ctrl+S from here and it's going to save it, or you can copy it to clipboard and you can paste it somewhere, maybe in Microsoft Word or maybe in PowerPoint presentation. You can put this very screenshot on, and you can also print it. You can send it to printer and you can print it directly, or you can search similar images on Google. Okay, once you do Ctrl+G, it's going to search similar image like this on Google for you, and you can share this easily on Twitter, on Facebook, on Bing, and even on Pinterest. Very easily you can share these images and you can upload it to different kind of platforms. Okay, so you can upload it on online also with you can upload to this website, to printscreen.com with just the use of Ctrl+D, or you can click on this to upload. Okay, once you create an account and you sign in already. All right, so this is just basically how to use the Lightshot to take screenshot of documents, to take screenshot of customizable areas. You're free to navigate around and take the image. You can resize it if you want. You can open up to more places, or you can customize and come and make it a little bit much more smaller from the sides, and even from the top edges you can easily minimize and extend accordingly. So it's very, very lightweight and it's very easy to use, and it gives images with fantastic resolutions, and you have the editing features. I would recommend this strongly for you to use because it's open source and is freely available to use. Try it and you will be amazed by the kind of quality images that you will see. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is about Lightshot. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very, very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.